Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today's video is about soft palate. First of all, how to find your soft palate. Your soft palate is this soft thing behind your hard palate. You may touch it with your tongue. The first thing that you touch is your hard palate, and it's here. Then you may slide your tongue back, and you will feel your soft palate. Our soft palate divides our nasal cavity and our mouth. We raise our soft palate when we swallow, so the food comes through our mouth and it goes into the stomach. When the soft palate is low, we breathe with our nose. We may also breathe through our mouth with our high soft palate, like so. Our soft palate is like a door that sometimes closes the nasal cavity, sometimes it closes the mouth. So how do we sound with those positions? When the soft palate is low, we sound nasal, we sound through our nose, we sound like this. When our soft palate is high, we sound like we're sick, like my nose. I can't speak normally because my nose. So this sick sound is when your soft palate is high. And also opera singers raise their soft palate. But for contemporary singing, the best position is when our air comes through our mouth and our nose, both. And I will explain you why. Many coaches may tell you that you need to lift your soft palate, but actually it's kind of myth. Classical singing coaches will tell you that because it's true for opera singing. But also many contemporary singing coaches will tell you that you need to raise your soft palate, sometimes when you sound nasal, sometimes when they can't explain the lack of resonance, and when they can't explain why you can't hit those high notes. But the truth is that the reason of sounding nasal is different, and you may lower your soft palate or keep it in the middle position without sounding nasal. Our nasal cavity is very crucial for high notes because it gives us this resonance for high notes. Our high notes resonance in this cavity even more. Also, you can't sing in the mask if you don't direct your air into the nasal cavity. So the best sound is when you direct the air partly through your nose and partly through your mouth. So when you don't raise your soft palate, and I would say relax your soft palate and don't pay attention to it, you will have better high notes, better resonance, because the resonance is crucial for your high notes. This nasal resonance is crucial for your high notes. And also it relaxes your larynx. So now I will prove that not raising your soft palate doesn't mean that you will sound nasal. For example, you can hear that sound changes when I close my nose. My nostrils. That means that the part of the sound comes through my nose. So how can we keep the soft palate in the middle position? How can we not raise it without sounding nasal? First, relax your tongue, open your throat, relax your larynx, and the main thing, the most important thing, is pronounce vowels like they should sound. Ah, like ah, not like Pronounce the vowels clearly. Ah instead of like instead of So the clear pronunciation of the vowels gives you this clear sound, even with your soft palate half lowered, like instead of Thank you for watching. Write your questions.